Hi there, I'm DIY expert Eva Zachariah, and this is Weddings Made Easy, a video blog designed to help you craft for your big day from the moment you say yes to I do. Whether you're DIYing for the first time or a lifetime crafter like me, I'm here to show you that you can add lots of personal touches to all of your events. The idea for Weddings Made Easy was born after my wedding. My mom and I had so much fun crafting for every event. I'll always cherish those memories, and I wanted to give others the opportunity to do the same. My mom is the reason I am a crafter, and now I hold those DIY memories even more closely. My mom passed away in June 2018 from an extremely rare, fast-acting terminal brain disease. Losing my best friend and craft partner in crime has been so tough, but I know that I can honor her legacy by pursuing my own creative dreams and bringing the joy of making to others. So follow along and let's DIY your big day the easy way. Here's where to find me online and on social. Happy crafting!